Oh no! Hold on. Wait, hold on. I need to. This is gonna be so dumb. Wait, hold on. And then it's a ringtone. Dude, it's literally just a ringtone. What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to play this if it... Dude, how am I supposed to play to this, man? It's Delta ruined. Brother, how am I supposed to do this? Because you didn't answer the phone. My phone's not ringing. I don't know what to do. My phone's not ringing. Look. Hold on. There's nobody here. Sorry, my phone is lost. I can't pick it up. You can hear it. Pick it up. How am I supposed to play this song if it doesn't start?
This is the final battle.
Jared, pick up your phone. My phone is not ringing, okay? Thank you for the 5. I don't know what to do. You know what? I'm gonna take a nice sip of my hydration here. Hold on. This is freaking... Who requested this, damn? Who did this? Oh my god. Brother. Oh man. Hello? 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 Dude, this is this is as bad as the freaking oh shoot. What is it? Puzzle Plank Galaxy one. Check Discord. My Discord's not ringing. I'm in streamer mode. All right? Oh my god. Thank you very much, Little Souls, for the 50p. Appreciate the super chat. How do I play to this, dude? All right, so somehow I hit the ending.